So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix PhysX SDK not initialized this problem in Mafia 2. So all you have to do is just to go to web browser and then just search for PhysX Mafia 2 download. You will choose the first website provided by NVIDIA. Make sure select it and then just download it by clicking on this link here. When you download it, you will have this folder containing these files. What I wanted to do is just to open up this, just make sure to download with this file. It will ask you to accept the agreement and the license agreement. Just click on I accept. Next, it will be installed. Make sure that you install it correctly and follow the steps that they give you. Then this will show up to you to make sure that it is installed. Then run your game and it will run without any problem or bugs. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.